Hi guys, good morning. So now let us see what is today's universal message. Law of no judgment. Can you see? So the universal spirits does not judge us. Judgments are human inventions. A mean to compare, contrast, and control. The life karmic review conducted by yourself after death is a condition of living in duality in third dimension. Okay, so this is law of no judgments. Actually, what this law states is, as far as I know, law of no judgments means God created everybody on this earth without any judgment. See, if it is a nature of a scorpion to sting, means it will do its nature only. It will live according to its nature only. That is its law. That is its dharma. Okay. Same way, if a snake, for its protection, if it will bite you, means it will definitely bite you because it's for its survival instinct. It is, isn't it? So that is its dharma. So if a warrior is there, means obviously he'll fight in a battlefield. That is his dharma. You can't go stand in a battlefield and you can't keep reaching a warrior that you shouldn't fight. If he's going to stop fighting, it is going to be against his dharma. Okay, so for a human beings to be with humanity and compassion is their dharma. So all human beings as normal citizens have to be with that compassion and humanity, isn't it? So each creation, each living thing, each physical form has been created for its own dharma. You can't ask it to live against its dharma or natural law, isn't it? So God knows for what he created what, and God never judged anybody, and God never set any rule book, this is right or this is wrong. Okay, see, if suppose I see something according to my perception, I feel something is wrong, could be right for some other person. What I see as right could be wrong for some other perception, some other person. Okay, so there is no right and wrong. That situation, how far emotionally intelligent you can respond or you can react, you react, that's all, that is over. Okay, so this is all regarding to how much intelligence each and every human being has, how much handling capacity he has at that present moment, and according to this intelligence and handling capacity, how he reacts and responds is how what deeds he do. Okay, so that is how it works. This human life on this 3D plane works. Okay, so whatever he does is nothing to do with right or wrong. That moment, that was right. That was he felt it right or she felt it right. He did it. That's all. Matter is over. So God never judges anybody. God was never judgmental to anybody. So when the God, divine creator who created us itself does not judge anybody, then you and me are nobody to judge anybody. So always be without judgments. Because if somebody is telling their story to you, you are listening to that story, and they are only like pouring their emotions, like how to do. They're using you as an emotional baggage. Let us keep it in that way. So if you could silently listen to what all they're telling, what is bothering them, just listen. If you can't listen, just move away. That's all. Just because they are trusting you, they're telling everything to you. There's no need that you have to be judgmental towards them. Okay? So you have no rights to judge anybody. That is what this law of no judgments states. Okay, guys, let us see in some other law tomorrow. Until then, bye.